Centropolis Accelerator was funded by Lawrence Tech University and the city of Southfield to create a center of innovation to bring industry players in to help create new physical products and advanced manufacturing processes. So the funding to support this program not only comes from Lawrence Tech and the city of Southfield, but also from the Michigan Economic Development Corporation, the New Economy Initiative, and from the Michigan Energy Office. Yeah, so what we have here today that we're celebrating is the actual physical space, which includes a co-working space where you can have offices and desks, as well as our product design and prototyping lab. And what's really unique about that is we can help anybody that has an idea for a physical product with design, engineering services, help them prototype and test their product, try to drive out costs before they take it to market. Exactly. Okay. It's open to the public. We have inventors here, we have startup companies here, we even have mature, established small businesses that have an idea for a new product or a manufacturing system that come to us to help commercialize and develop that product.
Great.
Yeah, so all across the state, there's fabulous co-working spaces and commercial buildings where you can, even as a startup, find affordable rent. I think what's unique about here is we actually have the product development tools to help with physical product development, like I mentioned, design, CAD services, being able to do engineering validation, being able to actually use a 3D printer or metalworking tools to prototype your product. The other thing that's really unique about what we offer is we actually provide consulting support, one-on-one support, where anyone can come to us and we bring product design and manufacturing experts in to really help them with their product design, their development, making sure they're really thinking about their design the right way, maybe even reducing the complexity, driving out part count, reducing cost, basically taking the talent that's all around here in Michigan, the product development and manufacturing expertise, and really helping individual companies with that talent we have here. So the best way is on our website. Go to centropolisaccelerator.com, and then you'll learn everything about our operation, our program, our physical assets we have here, the co-working space, and you'll have an opportunity to inquire to be supported directly by our talented team that are experts in product development and manufacturing. So.
Great. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, I think we're fine.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you.
And I'm not going to lie, this is all going over my head, so I'll have to rewatch this video again.
Well, I'll give you the real easy thing. So we're a manufacturing company.
Yeah.
We don't want to make your batteries. We want to sell you the equipment and give you this technology and know-how that your company can produce batteries. Right now, all battery manufacturing, for the most part, happens in very large plants, takes a lot of energy, and happens overseas. In our case, we don't need an airplane hangar anymore. We need something the size of this table. And we need high-tech employees that can operate the machinery. It downsizes the manufacturing, it right-sizes the manufacturing, and it gives us the opportunity to move manufacturing back into the United States.
Thank you.
Yep.
Obviously, I'm not an engineer, a biologist, or anything like that.
Oh, neither am I. Don't worry.
Oh, well, okay. All right, so what is the relation with you guys and the Centropolis Accelerator?
The Centropolis we found, and especially I have to give the shout out to Dan Radomski here, whose name I'm probably mispronouncing. He'll get to me later, I'm sure, if I got it wrong. Has really served as sort of the bridge to help sort of anchor us in Southeast Michigan, which is the place we want to be, right? We're leveraging our technology initially for lithium-ion batteries, and of course the large market for that right now is transportation applications, and the center of the world, as far as we're concerned right now for that in the United States, is right here in Southeast Michigan. So the Accelerator in Centropolis, and especially the work from Dan, is not only providing us with the space, the prototype lab, introducing us to a wealth of design engineers, electrical engineers, the type of people we need to actually turn all of these concepts into a project, but we can't do because we're a startup. We can't afford a design engineering group. We can't afford a large prototyping facility. But what Dan's been able to do is offer us the bridge and the resources to get these proof of concept materials kind of off the chalkboard and into our hands so we can get through and actually start collecting the data. Once we're able to show, we obviously need this so we can show it to the OEMs that this is how it works. They get excited, then we'll manufacture it and we will spread the technology and the systems, beginning here in Michigan and spreading out the rest of North America.
Great. Anything else you'd like to say?
No, just again, it's you know, Lawrence Tech, the Centropolis, and the Accelerator has been a real boon for us. There have been there's other places in the U.S. where maybe it would make more sense to be doing what we're doing, but with the Centropolis acting as a facilitator and a bridge to get us introduced to the other programs and entities in Michigan, especially the employment offices and the Environmental Development Corporation, and even the Michigan manufacturing instances that are happening now. It really does provide the anchor, and it helps us to be where we want to be. Right. It makes Michigan. I'll put it to you this way: Michigan goes from being a great place to come up with this technique, which is going to be applied to automotive OEMs, to the perfect place to be, because it provides the resources we need to seed our growth and expand. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.